science crew, the science class for Ashford University. This is Michael Welch. I am excited to know that this is our 5th week in our science class, and one of our discussions was to share with you how important nature is to human life. And so something I thought I wanted to open with this video is just to show you. I live in Lubbock, Texas, and Lubbock, Texas is actually in the plains. And the plains means that you can see as far as you can see, as far as your eyes can see. Cotton is a big industry for us. Cattle is a big industry for us. Farming, ranching. But one of the questions were, where do we go to see nature? And just outside of my community, I live in Ransom Canyon, is a great area that I see nature all around, and it's beautiful because I see this when I go to work in the morning, and I see it when I come home, and the sunsets are beautiful. But just wanted to show you, if you look behind me, the flatness of the land. I took a couple of pictures just a moment ago about farmland and how we farm. But what's so interesting to this is as I walk over here and pan over, just a few steps away, I can turn around and I see nature. A beautiful canyon that definitely was cut out through all the runoff water and all the water that our great earth provides for us. But this is one of the canyons. Actually, this is the canyon on the other side of the lake that I live at. So I'm going to stop here, and then I'm going to bring you to the oasis that I'm going to spend my moment in time of taking pictures. But I thought this was a great place to begin because you can just see the cutout of our world and our earth, and how important it is that we strive so hard to keep our ecosystem alive and well for generations to come. So give me a few minutes and I'll see you in my oasis. Walk that I was talking about, and I am going to do a couple of just a real guided tour for you here, and then I'll just take some pictures so that you can see some of this. But in this area, you know, we here at our community take great pride in trying to reserve the natural resources that our land has, and you can just see all around. In way up there in the top of the canyon, and as you can see, and not to get religious or not to get personal on that, because I do believe that we have a great creator that created this world and also gave us as men the responsibility to take care of this world. But there is a trail that goes up to a chapel there. And so man has taken this great resources of this canyon, all of these rocks, except this retaining wall, but all of these rocks are natural stones from this area. But if you walk on over here, this is my favorite part. This is where I'm going to spend the next few moments in solitude, listening to nature. So, I hope you enjoy the pictures and the sights and sounds of Ransom Canyon for a walk.